and we will start right away with the Lightning Web Components, which is a niche technology in the Salesforce and it is in very high demand. So basically, we will create Lightning Web Components which will involve coding, and it will involve three components. One is HTML, one is JavaScript, and one is CSS. So for that you will require some things, some softwares like VS Code. You need to download the VS Code, and there's a thing called Salesforce CLI, which is a Salesforce command line interface. You need to install these two things first before we can go ahead and start learning Lightning Web Components. So let me navigate you to the website from where you have to download it. So this is the official website of Visual Studio. You can download the Visual Studio according to your version of the window, and or whether it's a Mac or a Linux. According to that you can download it, and you can just keep doing next and download it successfully. Now we need to link the VS Code with a thing called command line interface of Salesforce. So this is the official website of developer.salesforce.com, and you can also download the Salesforce CLI according to your operating system, whether it's Mac or a Linux or a Windows. Okay, so this is very simple. You need to just keep clicking on next and add the path, and just some simple steps there, step by step everything is available. Okay, so once it is done, you have downloaded both these things, then we will go to our VS Code. This is how the VS Code looks. Okay, and here we will create our Lightning Web Components. Okay, so this was all about today's video. In the next video, we will start with creating our first Lightning Web Components, and we will also learn that what is the benefit of using Lightning Web Components. Okay, so till then, please download the VS Code as well as link it with the Salesforce CLI, because it is very, very important. And also one more thing, let me tell you in beginning as well, that apart from CLI and Sales VS Code, once it is downloaded, then you will get an option here for extensions. You need to click on extensions, and there are some particular extensions for Salesforce. So you can search here Salesforce extension pack, and you need to install it from here also. This is also required. You can install it internally in the VS Code, no need to go to any website. Okay, so this was all about this, and I will share the link in the description of my previous channel which have the video of the admin part. You can go through that as well, because here we will directly start with this Lightning Web Components, because it is in very, very high demand whenever we are going for a Salesforce development role. Okay, so thank you.